India is a diverse country that embraces people from all cultures and lures many. Having grown up here, we choose to ignore the nuances of a daily life that may appear amusing to the people from a different land. Our rich cultural heritage is what that attracted the young Japanese artist Soe Emura. He observed the berserk ways of the Indian scenario and got inspired by it. Soe Emura is a 32-year-old comic book artist based in Delhi. He came to India in 2002 and graduated from the University of Vadodara, Gujarat, in Fine Arts. While he was exploring the country, he visited various states such as Rajasthan, Karnataka, and West Bengal. Since he always had a knack for storytelling, he took inspiration from art forms like Kavar, puppetry, and Patachitra, and developed his own storytelling technique. Undying love for storytelling and illustrations ended up in him being a comic artist. He has a unique skill set which he successfully applies in his work.
So our work is often done by collaboration by me and Didi. So we create comics in the base of Japanese comic style, but for Indian readers, so the form has to change and adjust to the readers. We write in English, so the composition becomes horizontally reading base, so reading left to right. I use comic pens, but I often use tip pens here because of the compression of the comic form. It's often required that I have to write lots of texts in the comic, so I use tip pen, liner pen for feelings also. But I try to bring some dynamic movement in the line. If book shape or number of pages change, I might use different tools. I use screen tones, which are like a film sticker with dot texture printed on it. It can be used as a coloring tool. Also, it can be used for shading the surface, and since it's a dot printed on the film, it will show clear gray medium tones in black and white prints.
Each day in India is amusing to him, amused by the cows and goats wandering the streets and dogs lurking around here and there, making a livelihood anywhere. The artist takes great pleasure in looking at the various elements this country has to offer. The Indian culture has a great effect on the artist, so much so that he wishes to settle here. The artist wishes educating the public through his comic strip and strengthening the ties between Japan and India.